Bwana CS, Waziri, and all guests around. We want to thank you very much as the Department of Health for making it possible for us to receive this consignment today. And we want to promise that this is really going to help us down in the facilities, and the team over there, the management team, are really going to ensure that all the products received in different facilities are well managed, and that all the patients will be coming in will be served. We are happy now that we can give service to in our hospitals, because this is what we've been waiting for quite some time, and this is a great day to have and a great achievement. So we really thank you, Your Excellency, for this achievement that you facilitated in our department. Maybe allow me to also to welcome my fellow chief officer, so I can come and say hi before I take over to you. Guided Your Excellency, he has saluted. Thank you very much. Let me hand over the mic to CS.
That is 7 million on drugs. And because we could not wait for all the consignments to be ready, as at this time, we have been able to get a consignment worth 22 million. And the rest of the 15 million is being finalized, and it will come. Secondly, Your Excellency, I want to thank you so much for the choice that you made. And today, for the first time in history since this government started, 2013, we have casuals who are not crying anymore. They have been paid 100%. Courtesy of the good work that you've done, Your Excellency, you set aside 35 million, and it has cleared all the areas, Your Excellency. And we want to thank you so much for the bold step that you took. In your campaign pledge, Your Excellency, you said that this county referral hospital, which is 40 years old, by the time you're done with your governance, it should look as good as new. As I'm talking to you today, Your Excellency, we are in the second phase of the renovation like you guided, and this is courtesy of what you passed. You guided us to pass, that is the FIF bill, which has helped us to have the renovations go on very well. And Your Excellency, through your coordination with the national government, Your Excellency, Karoka in the next few days will be a brand new facility than any other facility around. And I want to thank you so much, because you're taking another step to see how it can be opened very well, together with the rest of the facilities, Your Excellency, which are going on, constructions and renovations which are going on across the county. And Your Excellency, one challenge that we've had, and I believe it's a step we are taking again, is on issue of staffing. And I want to thank you that you've taken the first step, and there is employment that is ongoing. I know we have already done the interviews, and we shall have a few staff who are coming in. And like you guided me, Your Excellency, and the team that you have given me, is that we are going to have another round once we have the facilities up and running. And that is a great step. And this morning, Your Excellency, we are launching drugs to various facilities. One of the things that you've guided is that these drugs have to be taken care of and used very well, so that it can take care of our community. And because of that, there is a unit, it's a new unit, we've not fully launched it, but it's already working, called Health Products and Technology Unit, which moves around to make sure that the drugs are put to right use. But also we have committees that have been set up, and the community and the hospitals. And we are working very hard to make sure that the commodities that you have given us here can well be taken care of and used to meet the right use that we are supposed to do. Your Excellency, we have spoken about the revolving drug fund. And I know you've guided us that we need to go back and sit down, and the team will sit down. We have a very able team. We are going to sit and know how we can have a continuous flow of commodities in our facilities. So I want to thank you so much, Your Excellency, and the rest of the members, my members from the health, and the rest of the team that is here, for the good work that we've worked together. And I know for 6 months, I mean, this is 8 months, right? If for 8 months, Your Excellency, you can be able to do this, what will you do in 5 years? A round of applause for His Excellency for the good work that you have done. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Your Excellency, the only thing I can urge our CEC, kindly make sure these drugs get to the facilities where they're supposed to get to. There's no point of launching drugs, then by the time they leave this complex, they find wings to other areas. Let's make sure that the drugs that are launched, the drugs that are bought by the money for the county of Nyamira gives to the people of Nyamira and nobody else. And we make sure they get to the facilities, not to the pharmacies, because that one has been happening. So, Your Excellency, without further ado, I'll say
kuonyesha wazi ile madawa tumenunua. Tumenunua madawa ya 37 million, lakini kukuwa tayari yote iko hapa ni ya 22 million, ya 15 million itafuata within the month. Kwa hivyo yote ni madawa ya milioni 37. Pole, najua hospitali imekuwa inaendelea bila madawa ya kutosha, na vile inaendelea na vile Mungu aliwabariki mnaendelea kujaza watu duniani, inaonekana hata kwenda mbele itakuwa ngumu kununua madawa inatosha kila mtu. Lakini tuko na mpango ambao itafanya sisi tufanye kitu kama co-sharing. Tutatengeneza, actually tumetengeneza, ni assembly itaenda, na assembly wale wako sasa hawana maneno mingi, wanaelewa shida ya wananchi. Tunataka tutengeneze fund. Mara moja tunaweka kama milioni 200. Halafu ukienda huko, kama unataka dawa inauzwa kwa makemesi shilingi 300, unaipata kwa shilingi 100. Nafikiri hiyo ndio itakuwa rahisi kwa wananchi kuliko kukosa dawa kabisa. Na vile umeona uchumi ni ngumu, hiyo ndio njia pekee yake tutasaidia watu wetu. Pili, juzi tulianza Facility Improvement Fund ambayo inafanya ile pesa imeokotwa kwa hospitali inatumika kwa hiyo hospitali. Na hiyo imeanza roll out na inaona matokeo mzuri sana. Tatu, karibuni tunataka kufanya hiyo hospitali yetu ya Nyamira ikuwe na nguvu. Kuifanya ikuwe na nguvu ni kuifanya ikuwe semi-autonomous. Nimeambia Ministry of Health iharakishe mswada ambayo iko tayari, iende kwa legal, iangaliwe, kufika mwezi wa 8 iende kwa assembly. Ikitoka huko tutatangaza nafasi za wale wanasimamia hospitali, the chief executive na watu wengine manager, ambayo hiyo hospitali iwezi run kama private service improve, lakini madawa tutakuwa tunapea kwa dawa kwa bei nafuu. Kwa hiyo ndio mpango tuko nayo, na hizo hospitali zote zikisimamia, focus yangu na serikali itakuwa ile hospitali kidogo, kwa sababu hiyo FIF ikifanya kazi na hiyo hospitali ikuwe independent, itajisimamia, nguvu ya serikali iende kwa ile hospitali kidogo mahali wananchi wanakaa. Hiyo ndio mpango tuko nayo, tuko tayari na tutaweza. Kuanzia January Nataka nione hiyo hospitali ikiwa kando, ikirani peke yake na takatifu kutoka Januari, na mengine tuko na mpango mingi. Kwa hivyo vile pesa ilichelewa kutoka Nairobi, ndio mumeona tulikuwa tunakosa madawa, lakini kuelekea mbele naona iko matumaini na tutasaidiana, tukue patient, mpe serikali nafasi iwafanyie kazi. Kwa departments zingine, siwezi sema sote, lakini kila department iko na mpango yake. Kutoka sports tuko na mpango, kwa environment, mambo ya wafanyakazi tumeweka darubini, tunaangalia na uhakikishia hakuna yule atafinywa kwa makosa. Ndio tunaenda polepole na kinishua. Lakini kama ulikula cha mtu si utalipa pake tu. Maneno naogopa. Si wewe ulikula. Kama ulikula na mwingine atakusaidia kulipa. Lakini tutaongea.